Hey guys, Kids with Guns 3 here again. As you can see, pretty big box. Got an unboxing video for you guys of the Double Eagle M58 pump action shotgun from justbbguns.co.uk. Link will be in the description. Be sure to check them out. Really good website. Okay, I haven't actually opened it yet. Well, okay, maybe I have, but I'm not sure how well you guys can see, but sorry about that noise, but it's still got the plastic thingy over the top. Comes with a nice looking manual. You know, the usual, don't shoot in people's eyes and stuff. Has stuff about the M58B model, which is the same gun but without the stock. Okay. I've never actually had a shotgun before, so I don't know how. Oh fuck! So I don't know what it's going to be like or anything. Okay, in the box it comes with a speed loader, as you can see. Sling. Ooh, these feel quite nice. They're like clips. They're all metal, both of them. Not bad, and obviously the 50 or 100 gram, not gram, the 50 or 100 little BD pack you get with almost every gun. I've never had any problems using the BBs that come with the gun, in the box, but loads of people say oh, don't use that, it'll ruin your gun, but as I said, I've never had any problems, so I guess use them at your own risk. And that's the gun in the box. Oh, before I show you the gun more, have a very long cleaning and unblocking rod, and nothing else in the box. I did see that the packaging, the actual box, was a bit dented, so I don't know, something must have happened, but during shipping. Sorry guys, I was wondering why I wouldn't shoot. Right, from what I can feel, all the black bits are metal, so the heat shield, I think that's what it's called if I'm correct, the barrel, and then I don't know what you'd call this bit, but basically all the black bits are metal. Yeah, and all the orange bits are plastic. Has an adjustable hopper, as you can see there. Just push it to the side. It feels really nice. Trigger feels really nice. I'm not really sure if the trigger guard's plastic or metal. I can't really make it out. One thing I can see already, I'm a bit disappointed as it has no iron sights. It's just straight look down the barrel. But it feels and looks amazing. Well, I think it does anyway. Also, it has a rubberized, I don't know what you'd call it. I think they call it butt plate. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's rubberized, so it feels nice in the shoulder. But yeah, overall, I think it looks lovely, feels lovely. Oh yeah, magazine. See that button there? Press it, magazine just falls out. I think it's 15 15 BBs it holds, so not very much, but what you gonna do? How the fuck do you get it back in? Sorry about that, guys. On the box it says 300. Well, on the box it says 400 FPS, but there is a sticker saying over it saying 320. So I'm not sure which is the real one, but hey ho. Just put that on the floor. I also ordered again from Just BB Guns. Well, I'm assuming these are my 5,000.2s. Oh, and look at that. There's a dent. Got to do better with their shipping. But yeah, 5,000.2s. I think it was on a price drop, so I think it was about £13 for this, and it was 40 for the gun. So yeah, very happy they came as well. Oh, one more little thing. And a spare magazine for the shotgun. Fucking man, so I've got to sort that out. But so yeah guys, this is it really. Got my shotgun, got my BBs, got my spare mag, sling, speed loader, crappy BBs. That's it really guys, as I said. Just BB Guns, be sure to check them out. Great website. If you're wondering about shipping, I ordered it late Sunday afternoon, so what's the day today? Tuesday or Wednesday? Oh, I don't know, I'm fucking shit. But yeah, 1-2 day delivery, really good I think. Be sure to like and subscribe and just comment if you know, if you have any questions, ask us, we'll try and answer them. If you want to know anything about the gun, ask, I'll try and answer to the best of my ability. And that's it really guys. Peace.